Number 1. Motoroid 2. What lies ahead for the interaction between humans and machines is being explored by Yamaha engineers through the Motoroid 2. Building upon an idea from approximately 6 years ago, this concept incorporates current trends such as artificial intelligence algorithms and facial recognition. The Motoroid 2 achieves self-balancing through its swing arm and rear wheel, which move independently from the rest of the bike. Additionally, the Motoroid 2 has been trained to operate without a rider, demonstrating impressive skill to the extent that one could even dance with the bike. While it is mentioned that the motorcycle can recognize certain gestures, Yamaha's promotional page does not yet specify the method for controlling the motorcycle without handlebars. Number 2. Hover Surf. In the upcoming segment of today's lineup, we have a project from the Russian company Hover Surf, diligently developing a futuristic flying car. A notable feature of this project is the incorporation of engines based on the Venturi effect, which, being propellerless, contribute to a quieter, more compact, and safer design compared to their counterparts. Additionally, an air cab equipped with these engines can conveniently fit into a standard parking spot. For a flying ambulance, the speed of 250 km/h will prove beneficial. It is anticipated that a full battery charge will offer approximately half an hour of flight time, and recharging can be accomplished in just 40 minutes using a Tesla fast charger. Number 3. Lexus Hoverboard. Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a crucial part in conceptualizing upcoming gadgets, demonstrating its ability to visually depict and provide detailed descriptions of various items, including hoverboards. While this might seem amusing, functional hoverboards already exist. Consider Lexus's creation in 2015, though the future did not truly arrive then. It involved a clever workaround. To make it operational, Lexus constructed a specialized skate park with metal plates beneath the surface. The hoverboard itself incorporates powerful magnets and superconductors cooled to -197 degrees Celsius using liquid nitrogen. Despite the entertaining aspect of AI envisioning futuristic devices, practical implementations often involve innovative solutions and technologies beyond what may initially meet the eye. Number 4. Ease-Eye. A new solution has surfaced for individuals spending extended periods in front of a computer, courtesy of Hong Kong inventor Louis Hang. Hang has developed a 24-inch monitor that relies on natural light for illumination. When viewed from the front, the monitor appears standard, but on the back, Hang has incorporated a light collector and reflector. While it may not be suitable for use in the dark without an additional lamp during daylight hours, it offers benefits for both eye comfort and cost savings, with the monitor's power usage reduced to just 4 watts. Having achieved success on Kickstarter, the inventor plans to ship the monitors to backers next year, with each monitor priced at $569. Number 5. Microsoft Project Silica. Project Silica is a technological innovation by Microsoft that stores data in quartz glass wafers. While it may seem like a concept from a science fiction film, it is a genuine and functional invention. According to Microsoft, a small 75 by 75 by 2 mm quartz plate has the capacity to store up to 75.6 gigabytes of data. The process involves using a laser to create intricate 3-dimensional patterns and record data. Retrieval is facilitated by a system based on artificial intelligence algorithms. These quartz plates exhibit resilience against scratches, magnetic fields, and even boiling temperatures, ensuring the longevity of the stored data for approximately 10,000 years. Microsoft suggests employing these plates in cloud servers for optimal data storage. Number 6. Makani. Makani, a kite designed for electricity generation, underwent 7 years of development. The creators progressed from a 20 kilowatts prototype to a fully operational industrial kite capable of producing around 600 kilowatts at its peak. Google acquired the Makani project, but in 2019, the company ceased funding it. In February 2020, Alphabet, Google's parent company, officially discontinued the Makani project. The operation of the Makani kite is straightforward. It ascends to a height of approximately 300 to 400 meters and moves in circles, generating electricity through its rotors. Tethered to a ground station, the generated power is transmitted. Makani requires wind speeds of 3.5 meters per second or higher for launching, and the 600 kilowatts it produces can supply electricity to roughly 30 households. Number 7. Screen Dress. The new Y-Rec stands out as an impressive design, showcasing the talent of a Dutch designer who has previously collaborated with Audi. This designer's portfolio includes the creation of the screen dress, a particularly intriguing piece with components entirely 3D printed. Notably, the dress is controllable through the user's thoughts, as its screens change patterns based on signals captured by an electroencephalogram. The dress is adaptive, considering the unique brain activity of each individual. What adds to its fascination is the utilization of the affordable single-board computer, the Raspberry Pi Zero. This innovative combination of 3D printing, brain interfacing technology, and accessible computing makes the screen dress a truly remarkable and forward-thinking creation. Number 8. Autoliv e-scooter airbag. With ongoing endeavors to develop hoverboards, there is a possibility that they may eventually become a common sight, akin to the prevalence of electric scooters today. Swedish company Autoliv, drawing on its history as pioneers in the production of two-point seatbelts since 1953, is now contemplating ways to enhance road safety. Emphasizing safety as their forte, Autoliv suggests the implementation of airbags to protect scooter riders, skaters, and other vulnerable road users from injuries. The proposal involves attaching one airbag to the scooter or other modes of transportation, with the second fixed on the car near the windshield area. This dual airbag setup is designed to provide optimal protection, even in the event of a head-on collision. However, there is no information regarding mass production at this time. Number 9. Fluid Reality. The American team, Fluid Reality, has offered a glimpse into the future with their XR Gloves prototype, encompassing all technologies related to virtual, augmented, and mixed reality. Ambitious in their goals, the standout feature of these gloves is the inclusion of tactile pixels on the fingertips. Each square centimeter houses up to 20 hydraulic pump pixels, devoid of moving parts, and activated through an electric field. These pumps generate tiny bubbles within the pixels, creating a sensation of pressure for the glove wearer. The developers are confident that if these gloves hit the market, they will be priced at $1,000 for end users, a cost that is 5 times cheaper than comparable options from other manufacturers. Number 10. Motorola Adaptive Display Concept. Motorola, known for its innovation, presented an intriguing prototype of a flexible smartphone at Lenovo Tech World 2023. This smartphone is remarkably flexible, allowing it to be wrapped around your wrist, essentially functioning as a smartwatch. This innovative design offers a 2-in-1 solution, eliminating the need for a separate stand for your phone. In its regular form, the screen has a diagonal size of 6.9 inches, which reduces to 4.6 inches when bent. While the mass production of this flexible smartphone remains uncertain, Motorola had previously showcased a similar concept in 2016, indicating an enduring interest within the company for this unique and flexible device.